Good morning, traders. Daily chart SPY. We are going to make another high after we test that high. This is the gap. What I will guarantee, there will be a new bear market in the SPY. Once we hit the top and it's blowing off top, then you're going to see a big reversal, and we see the SPY coming all the way back down here to 536 to test the 100-day moving average. Granted, it's the last day of October. They got away with it. There was hardly any traders on the volume side. So you can lift up with no volume, but then guess what happens? You better sign up for that free 5-day trial. Tommy Trader, I'm headed off to the Kung Fu studio this morning, but I can tell you right now, you are going to listen to me or you're going to pay a price. Now, you make another high before you collapse and go down. And the last time we got overbought, and I kept talking about it, that's what you got. Now they come back up in technical analysis and filled up in the top. And I am saying that we have 50, not 5. I said 50 put options on a SPY. But you know what? You guys that are viewing the video, you would rather lose money than make money. We have so many programs, you don't even want to watch live. Are you scared to believe what you see? Is that the issue? Or do you just you're going to lose a lot of money, and I know it. And that's on you. I'm giving you the opportunity right now not to lose a lot. But, like always, you think you got the answers. Check your P&L in about 30 days from now. Pal.